Hello, today we will guide you through how to change timeframe Sierra chart. In this short walkthrough, we'll focus on adjusting the chart's timeframe so you can see market activity in the level of detail that suits your trading style. A timeframe controls how much time each bar or candle represents, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and so on. And changing it helps you zoom in for precision or zoom out for a broader view. First, open the Sierra Chart desktop application and make sure you're looking at a chart window. Once the platform is running and your chart is visible, you're ready to adjust the time frame. You don't need to change any other settings for this basic task. Everything you need is already on the chart interface. Next, locate the time frame control at the top right of the chart. On most default layouts, you'll see small labels such as 1 mem, 5 m, 15 m, or other time-based options tucked along the upper edge of the chart area. This is where Sierra Chart lets you quickly switch how much time each bar represents. If your workspace uses a different theme, the control may appear as compact buttons or a label near the chart's title region, but it will still be positioned toward the top right. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the active chart, since controls apply to the chart that's in focus. Now click on the time frame you want. Try 1 m to see each bar represent 1 minute of trading, or 5 min for a smoother, more aggregated view. The chart will update immediately. You'll notice the x-axis adjusts to show more or fewer timestamps, the bars compress or expand, and any studies or indicators on the chart recalculate to match the new interval. 1 minute is great for fast, granular monitoring, while 5 minutes can help reduce noise and highlight more stable intraday swings. If you're comparing different looks, feel free to toggle between 1 m and 5 min as needed. Sierra Chart handles these switches quickly, making it easy to explore multiple perspectives during your session. That's all there is to it. Open the Sierra Chart desktop app, look to the top right of your chart to find the time frame control, and click the option that matches your current analysis, like 1 mem or 5 m in. With this simple adjustment, you can move seamlessly between detailed and broader views, helping you stay responsive to changing market conditions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer, more flexible charting experience.